Hey guys, so I am going to do my June favorites for you guys, and yeah, I'm just going to get started because I have a ton of products this month. So the first one is my Naked palette, and I've talked about this before many times, but I have a new kind of color combination, and the first one is Sin, and I've been using this on my lid, and then Toasted in my crease, and it's just like a brown sparkly kind of color, and then Hustle in my outer V area, and then Version as my highlight and inner corner, and it just looks so pretty. I have it on today, and it kind of has like a taupe kind of look to it, but yeah, I've really been loving that combination. And then another eyeshadow quad, I guess, is the e.l.f. Brightening Eye Color Trio, or quad, I guess, and this is the Butternut combination. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I just used the peachy color on my lid, and then this as my highlight and inner corner crease, and then my outer V. So yeah, this looks really, really pretty, and this was only $1. And I've heard, like, when I first got this, I heard so many people talking about it, so I really wanted to try it, and I'm so glad that I bought it because it looks so pretty. And I hadn't been using it, but I just recently had gone back to it this month, and I just rekindled my love for it. So a concealer that I've been using is my Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer, and this is a heavy duty concealer, and I bought this 3 years ago, I think, 3 or 2 years ago. But yeah, I really love this, and it covers up my dark circles so good, and also blemishes. So yeah, you should pick this up. I got it at Walmart for around $6 or $7, and it lasts a really long time. And then a powder that I've been using is this e.l.f. powder, and I think this is just from the regular line. It has nail polish. It got spilled on it. Anyways, this is light beige, and yes, it looks dark on, like, in the pan, but on my face I feel like it kind of blends in naturally. It is a little bit dark, but I feel like since it's summer, this is like my summer color, and it will blend easier onto my neck. But this powder is like really, really good. It feels like a foundation kind of. So that's what it looks like. Yes, I have swatches already of products because I had to refilm this video. Anyways, okay, and then I have the Color Tattoo. This is an eye product, and this is the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze, and I've talked about this many times, but this is just what it looks like, and these are very comparable to a Paint Pot by MAC, so I would definitely check these out before, like, buying a really expensive product from MAC that you might not even like, so try out these first. A blush and bronzer is also from e.l.f. I just went blank. And this is in Blushed in Bronze. I know that now they have different colors of it, I guess, but this is a dupe for the NARS Orgasm and Laguna blush and bronzer. So this is what it looks like, and I've had this a super long time, and I've used a ton of this. So the blush is really nice. I actually have it on today, and it kind of gives you like a glowy highlighted look. And then the bronzer, I feel like I really like it, but it can look a little muddy, and it's very, very pigmented. So yeah, that's what these swatches are right here. So those are the swatches of it. They're really, really pigmented, and this actually does last a very, very long time. Okay, and then I have a ton of lip products like usual, so we're going to get started. So I have the EOS Lip Balm, and this was from the Alice in Wonderland collection. It came with a blueberry one, and then also a watermelon one, and then this is the vanilla. I forgot what they called it, but it's vanilla, and this smells like the, what is it, the vanilla lace from Victoria's Secret, like their lotion and stuff like that. This smells so good. It smells like vanilla cupcake or something like that, but it feels really good on your lips, and it really does hydrate them as well. And then another like lip, like a lip chapstick, I guess, is the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Cocoa Butter. This is what it looks like. It's just a tiny little Vaseline, and I guess you can use this anywhere on your body because it is actually thicker than like a regular Vaseline. So I just use this on my lips, and it feels really good, and it keeps them hydrated really, really long time. The next product that I have is the Revlon Lip Butter, and this is in Cotton Candy, and I actually am wearing this one as well. So this is just a really nice pink color, and I actually already swatched it, so there is it swatched. So yeah, this is really, really pretty, and it's got kind of like a gold shimmer in it, but it's not too insane. So I really like these, and I have two other ones that I really like, but this one I've been using a lot this month. For bath products, I have quite a few. So the first one is a face mask, and this is from Jafra Spa, I think is how you pronounce it. So this is their mud mask, and it's just a really dark green color, and this you just wash your face, and then you have your face a little bit wet, and then you want to apply this all over your face, and you leave it sit for 20 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, whatever one you want, and then you just rinse it off with a washcloth, and this feels so good. It feels like it's soaking like all of the oils and like really gross stuff out of your face. The mask kind of thing that I have is actually for your hair, and I talked about this in my hair care routine, and this is from Avon. I'm not sure what it's called because there is no label or anything, but this is just a really nice thick hair mask. It's almost gone, and it smells like peppermint kind of, and I just love applying this to my hair. It makes it feel so smooth and so shiny after I get out of the shower. So yeah, I just do this hair mask on Sundays just for like a deep condition. Okay, and then for nail polishes, I have two, and I'm wearing both of them actually. So the first one is Essie's Cocktail Bling, and I have this on my fingernails, so that's what it looks like. But this is just a kind of like a dusty lavender color. It's really, really pretty. I think all year round this looks good, and it matches with a ton of stuff because it is like not a vibrant color, but it's just kind of like a natural looking color, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I really like this, and it lasts actually a pretty long time. I've had this on my nails for probably 3 or 4 days now, and it's just starting to chip off at the tops of my nails, but yeah, this is a amazing color. The other one is very inexpensive, so I have these on, or this on my toes, and this is the Wet n Wild Megalast in I Need a Refreshment, and this is talked about so much actually, and it's a dupe for the China Glaze for Audrey. So if you don't want to spend that much money on that nail polish, you can buy this, and I think I got this for like $2.99 at Rite Aid, and this is just such a pretty Tiffany blue color. Okay, for accessories, the first accessory that I have are these infinity earrings, and I talked about these I hauled them in my last haul. So yeah, I got these from Claire's, and they're just really, really simple. And then I have a headpiece, and not a lot of people wear these, but I think it's pretty cute, and I don't want to put it on because every time I put it on, it gets stuck to my hair. So yeah, this is like really, really cute. You just like put that around your head, and then this middle chain like goes through the middle of your head, and it's really cute. Then I have these sunglasses from PacSun, and these are just black, and then it has a hot pink band on the side. These are just very cute, and they protect your eyes, and these are from PacSun. Last favorite is a pair of shoes, and they are these shoes, and I got these from Rite Aid, and they are just so cute. They look like Toms. They go with everything. So comfortable. Yeah. So that was my June favorites, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.